Okay, nice little rock bass. Tiny little smallmouth. That's good for a fish tank. That's a real good size. Okay, it's a decent bass on a black rooster tail. Another good sized bluegill. Look at the real good colors on this guy. On the black rooster tail. Okay. Not sure exactly what this is yet. Pulling good though. Actually pulling a little bit of drag. Oh, good bass. That's a good bass. Yep, that's a good fish. Okay, that's a real nice healthy bass. And I got him on the black rooster tail. Hey Jeff, man, you know all about them black rooster tails, don't you, buddy? Okay, it's a decent bass on a black rooster tail. Okay, decent bass. I got him on the black rooster tail.